Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Today I am on a different mission and a different settings. I am going to make a dish called pakassa. Many Jamaican know it, many don't know it. So this dish consists of ground provision, coconut milk, and you can choose to put whatever you want in your pakassa. And right over here I have my saltfish already boiling out most of the salt, and you will see what I do with it later. So guys, don't go anywhere. So now guys, I'm going to blend my coconut. Very rich. So guys, my coconut milk finished juice. So now I'm going to make some pumpkin dumpling and add a little bit of cornmeal in it. This we call a little bit. Oh God. Now I'm going to add some pumpkin. So guys, me never bother to grate the pumpkin, so me thread it. But it a go turn out good anyway. So now, me a go add some of my coconut milk. Right in here so. This pakassa dish, guys, delicious. My mom and my aunt, some of my uncle them used to make this. So this is my version. So big up you all at Trilani, big up to my mother and my auntie them, and my second auntie mama, Carmen. All of my auntie and my big cousin them. Guys, they call this dish poor people dish, but there's nothing poor about this dish here. Back in the days of that, them used to say, but when you look on it now, nothing poor about this dish. It is very delicious and you can't go wrong with coconut. Who know? So now that my dough is ready, I'm going to remove my saltfish and get started on my dish for my pakassa. So guys, don't go anywhere. So guys, now I'm going to prep my seasoning. I have different color. Sweet pepper or bell pepper. We Jamaican call it sweet pepper. This is not a normal dish. I'm treating this dish with a lot of respect today. God bless me ancestor them. They come up with this lovely dish. some scotchy. So now I'm going to add some butter to my pot and saute up my seasoning. Add some onion and thyme, garlic, scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, I have some sweet pepper right here. I'm going to leave some for later. This smells so good, guys. Smells so good. So guys, I'm gonna add some paprika for color. Some people making their pakassa, they'll use natto, but I don't have any. So just for a pop of color, I'm using some paprika. It's optional. You don't have to use it. Maybe a teaspoon of paprika. Give it a nice color. Now, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. See how pretty this color look, guys? Very pretty. I'm gonna cover it and get started on my ground provision. So guys, my coconut milk is boiling. I'm going to make my dumpling to put into my pot. Night settings this, you know, guys. Guys, this smells so good. And you're not done yet, you know. Not done yet. So now I'm going to get started on my ground provision. My yellow yam. Now my Irish potato. It's my cocoa, guys. Sweet potato or potato. I want to run. Oh, that's funny. Me love my country boy. Potato or potato. Still an yam. Right, that's the thing there. We not nice up nothing around here. That's why we are so special. Carrot, guys. Carrot or carrot. Green bananas. If you're making pakassa, you have to have green banana. The coconut and the banana is one of the main ingredients in this lovely dish. I am so proud of my country. I am very proud. We make one of the best meal in the world. No doubt about that. Zero something. One Jamaica and a two. Oh my goodness. Guys, you see how pretty the paprika let this look? Similar look to the natto. So look at this, guys. Woo! Smells so good. So now I'm gonna add my callaloo. You don't know, so this is not one normal dish, you know, guys. You see setting already. Little bit of my shred pumpkin. Way back kind of cooking. Way back. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna add some Maggi. All-purpose seasoning. My favorite spice. Pimento or pimenta. I'll add my okra, my plantain, my saltfish and the rest of my seasoning in another couple of minutes. Check in, guys. Wow. So now I'm going to add in my plantain. Rye plantain. Add in my saltfish now. The rest of my sweet pepper, okra, garlic, scallion and thyme. Now left a good old scotchy. So one pot here, pakassa, bad. Bad, guys. And a night, you know, so what me I do for you, know? Beautiful. All of the elders love that one here. Them are gonna love it. So now I'm gonna cover, and the next time you see me, I go show you and I go eat. Me can't wait.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
So guys, this is what I'm looking for with this pakassa dish. This is how you feel if you look when it's done. So now I'm gonna share out some for Auntie Mama neighbor. You have a plantain here, so, and a dumpling. Yam and carrot. Guys, I like this, you know, so we are look for banana. So we find the banana here and some of the cocoa. So now we are going to have Mr. Eric taste.
Oh, definitely.
And tell where I go on with this dish here.
Okay.
Because I can't wait to eat mine too, you know.
Okay. First we taste the plantain.
Yeah.
It's hot right now, so we really have to blow up on this.
Yeah, man, you have to blow up on the man. Guys, it's good. See me have one dumpling, yeah?
It tastes delicious, man.
And a piece of cocoa
First
and
time
one yellow
trying it.
yarn.
Let me try.
Check in, guys. And the pumpkin dumpling with the cornmeal in there, mixed with the coconut milk.
Okay.
It's on a different level by itself.
Yes.
Guys, please support Sonia's Creative Kitchen. Many more videos like this did if it come. Yeah, and a lot of people can relate to this. This is not normal. Me used to have this growing up. And for the reason for putting the paprika, me not have no natto. And that's how me see my family them used to make it. So me have to come up with my own creativity. Put little paprika.
Well, you do a good job.
Yeah. Guys,
different.
This a bad. I may do it for night just to capture, you know. Way back, way back. Way, way, way back. Them night cooking here without light.
Oh, no, I'm light here.
Because it's not so bright.
Yes. Need a different bulb.
Why? Guys, looking at my plate. Look. Nice. Look. Delicious, man.
It's my first time eating it and it tastes really nice.
Can't go wrong. I don't know why they call this there poor people dish. Cause nothing no poor about this a dish here. A rich, rich dish. To all of my godparents, them and grandparents and people for generation way back.
Yeah.
This, nothing don't pour about it. So guys,
So don't say you're not taking the video?
come on Freddy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Please like the video, share the video, tell a friend for tell a friend. And remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.